रेल्वेच्या दोटीकरणाक मेळिल्ल्या मान्यतायेत खूप हेराफेरी केल्ली आसा। या प्रकल्पाक मान्यताय दिवन सरकार अदानीक फायदो करून दिता अशें म्हणीत काँग्रेस फुडारी कॅप्टन विरियातो फर्नांडिसान सरकाराचेर फोग काडलो। या प्रकल्पाक लागून लोकांच्यो जमनी सरकारान बळकायल्यात। अशें करून सरकार फक्त आनी फक्त अदानीची बोल्सां भरता, जेणे करून तो फुडाराक गोंयांक काबार करून उडयतलो अशी भिरांत विरियातोन ह्या वेळार उक्तायली।
See, there is a lot of hera-fairy in this land acquisition for double track. Again, double tracking is meant for whom? To benefit Adani. And finally, Adani will earn money, destroy Goa and give that money to BJP to fight elections. Now, what is this award, land acquisition? It was not a fair trial at all. People were just called, whether you like or you don't like, we are taking your land. Who are these land acquisition officers? They were the same people who were involved in land acquisition in मोपा. Till today, जे शेतकामती गरीब लोक मोपाचे तांची जमीन घेतली, शेतां घेतली, आयज पासून तांकां compensation दिवना. Whatever they have announced now, what is it? Jabardasti they have taken the land because they want to satisfy a man called Adani so that they can destroy Goa, do corruption and take the money away.